What's going on, guys? This is kind of a public service announcement for everybody out there. I see this all the time, every day, in Facebook groups especially, and I see a lot of broke-minded people that think if you have to pay for something that immediately it's a scam. There are scams out there, and there are people, unfortunately, that do want to take your money and don't give you anything in return. Money flippers. That is a full-blown 100% scam. First of all, if you honestly believe that you can Western Union someone $200 and they are going to magically turn it into $2,500, well, then I'm sorry, but you deserve to be taken because you're an idiot. You are one of the dumbest people on the planet because it just doesn't happen. So with that being said, let me clarify something for you, because I hear the word scam used at least 200 times a day by people who are so ignorant they have no idea of what they are even talking about. And so let the lesson begin right now, boys and girls. A scam is when someone takes your money and does not provide you with a product or a service or both. Now, most of these companies out here that offer work from home, they provide a product or a service, or like my company, we provide both. And let me tell you another thing. The reason why you think it's a scam is because you didn't follow the instructions. You thought there was a shortcut. You're one of these bubbleheads that thinks that there's just some magic money button that's on the internet that you can just push and all of a sudden money comes out. Is it possible to make money working from home? Absolutely. You most certainly can. Do you still have to put in work? Yes. You still have to put in work. Nobody in this world is going to give you anything. You have to work for every little thing that you get. Now let's address another thing since I got that out of the way. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. When it costs to join a business opportunity, people say, I don't pay to work. Okay. Well, first of all, get your head out of your butt, because the entire system has lied to you. They've all lied to you. You actually are living a lie right now, because everything that you were taught in school was crap. Since kindergarten, they have been conditioning you to believe that the only way that you can make it in this world is by working for someone else. Now you think about that for a second. And unfortunately, it's been hammered into your head by your parents, by your grandparents. You got to go to school. You got to get good grades. You got to get a good job. Got to go to college. Blah, blah, blah. That's not true. It's just not true. Because the way that it works is that they've conditioned you to accept the fact that you are going to be a slave to some company. Because let me ask each and every one of you a question. Some people love their jobs, absolutely adore their jobs. Me, I love my job. Most people, however, don't like their jobs. Ask yourself this question. Do you honestly like the people that you work with? Most of you are going to answer no. Do you wonder why the guy that does half the job that you do gets paid the same amount of money as you do, And you wonder why that's fair? I bet you do. That's because you've all been conditioned. You see, because school keeps you just dumb enough so that you have to go out and you have to make somebody else rich. And you have to be a slave to some company. And I got news for you. If you think that you don't pay to go to work, you are batshit crazy. Because, let me tell you something. If you ever had to buy clothing for a job, you paid to go to work. You ever bought your lunch or bought food to take to lunch? Guess what? You paid to go to work. Most companies that pay once a week, they hold back a week on you. So every day you paid for gas. If you don't drive a car, took a bus, paid bus fare. If you didn't do that, you took Uber or you paid somebody to take you to work. Guess what? You just paid to go to work. Okay? So don't tell me you don't pay to go to work, because you do. And then what's even worse is they have got you believing this is where you pay the most, because you are trading your most valuable commodity in this life for money, which is your precious time. Because I got news for you, people. When it all comes down to it, that's all we have is time. And when that runs out, and all of ours will, none of it's going to matter. None of it. But if you would like to learn how you can make extra income from home, online, part-time, full-time, send me a message. I'll point you in the right direction. But I'm going to tell you right now, if you're not willing to put in the work, this is not for you. If you think you're going to get rich for a week, in a week's time, this is not for you. If you expect somebody to hold your hand and you don't know how to be organized, this is not for you. Guys, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Do me a favor, if you would, please like and share this video. If you know anybody that is looking to make some extra money, send them my way. Tell them to send me a message. And we'll see if, what I've got going on is a good fit for them. But until next time, guys, peace, love, and chicken grease. I'm out.